All right, guys, behind me is my GX460. I just got a lift and tires done, and I'm going to do a more in-depth video. Matter of fact, I shot video during the whole process. Kind of a lot of interesting things that happened kind of during it, and we're going to walk through all that, and I've got professionals doing it, so I kind of filmed it at a shop, so that's all coming up. I'm going to flip the camera around right now and answer the basic questions that you guys have, like what tires, what wheels, what size, and that kind of thing, and then we'll do a more in-depth video coming up here soon. All right, and we'll zoom in on the tires here. So the tires are Wild Peak AT, so all terrains by Falcon, and they're 285/70/17s. So that's a 17-inch wheel right there from Icon Vehicle Dynamics, and it's 8.5 width, and the model is a Rebound. So that looks pretty good. And if we zoom in here, you can see the Toy Tech lift kit in here, the Illuma series, and I've got 3 inches in the front and 2.5 inches in the back, and that kind of gives it this level look that it's got going on right now. In the back, there's actually a lot of gear in the back right now because I got the spare tire in there and another tire that actually came out of the bottom off that, but we'll go through that another time. But heavy duty springs in the back, something else we'll talk about in the longer video, but for right now, hopefully this is helpful to people. And I love the way it feels, drives good. A little bit of a step now getting out of it, but what do you expect, right? So that's about it for right now, guys. Longer video honestly coming up here, hopefully not too long, but this is just the beginning. We got bumpers, roof rack, and all that kind of stuff coming up here in the future, but for right now, that's about it. Peace.